Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something really comforting and super simple, steamed clams with egg. Look at this dish. The eggs are incredibly silky and tender. The clams are neatly arranged and everything is coated in the glossy sauce. It's light yet fragrant and seriously mouth-watering. Alright, let's get cooking. These clams have already been cleaned. Let's place them in the steamer and give them a quick steam. When the water comes back to a boil, steam for about 5 minutes. That's enough. While the clams are steaming, let's prep the eggs. I've cracked 3 eggs here, then take the same bowl and add water up to the same level as the eggs. The water should be warm, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Pour the eggs into a big mixing bowl. And using the same bowl, add water equal to half of the previous water level. This way, your egg to water ratio is about 1 to 1.5. And while whisking, slowly add in the warm water. Next, strain the egg mixture through a fine sieve into the steaming dish. This gives you that silky smooth texture. If there are little bubbles on top, just skim them off with a spoon. Now the clams are ready. Place them gently into the egg mixture. Cover the dish with a plastic wrap. Set it back into the steamer. And once the water boils, steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you are using a thicker dish, just give it a little extra time. And don't throw away that clam broth. It's full of flavor. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned soy sauce for seafood. And give it a stir. That's going to be our sauce. Now the steamed eggs are done. The surface isn't smooth because the wrap loosened, but the eggs are still tender. Just seal it tightly. Sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. Then pour over a little bit of hot oil. Wow, it smells amazing. Finally, drizzle the clam soy sauce mix right over the top. Oh man, just look at this. So tender and light. The texture is exactly what you want from a good steamed egg. Alright, I've got to try this. Wow, that's so fresh. The eggs are soft, smooth, and almost like custard. It's incredible with rice. Simple, elegant, and seriously delicious. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.